Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you some of the steps on what you can do if you want to increase the download speed on your PlayStation. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to make sure is that to only download a particular game or one game at a time. You can see I'm currently downloading two games. What this does is that it is going to reduce the network and the download speed of the other game. So all you have to do is simply pause one of these games. In order to do that, we can head over to our menu bar and then here select notifications. At the very top, select downloads and then press X on one of these games and then hit the pause button. Let the other download to be complete. After the other download is actually complete, you can come back and then press X and resume it again in that way. So this is basically the first thing you want to run. The other thing you can also do is while you're actually downloading the game right over here, you don't want to go ahead and play another online game such as Fortnite or Call of Duty Modern Warfare or something else. What that is going to do is basically reduce the network speed of both your online game as well as the download speed which is currently running in the background. After that, the next thing you also might actually want to do is if the download is just too slow, you might actually again want to pause and resume. As we said earlier, you can go to your notifications and then do that as well. The other thing you want to do is I'm currently using the wireless connection, which is without using the LAN cable. If you do have your router next to your PlayStation or anywhere near it, what I would actually recommend is using a LAN cable or an Ethernet connection instead of using a wireless network. So in order to do that, you can see I currently have my LAN cable right over here. All you have to do is make sure that the bottom end is actually connected to your router. After that, you can see on my PlayStation right over here, what you want to do is at the very back end side of this, if there is a LAN cable or the LAN connection, you have to simply connect it. So right over here on the back side of this PlayStation, you can see this LAN connection or this LAN port. What you have to do is you have to simply connect this port which is connected to your router to your PlayStation right over here. Once you do that, there is one more setting that we want to customize on our PlayStation. And that is that if I come back, you have to actually also set up the Ethernet connection from your settings. So from the menu bar again, go to the right hand side and then select settings. Over here, what you want to do is you want to select the option called network. As soon as you tap on network, you have the second option called set up internet connection. Tap on set up internet connection. All you have to do is simply select use a LAN cable right over here. You can select easy option right over here. If you want to do custom, that is totally up to you. It is going to check the network environment and then automatically connect your LAN connection to your PlayStation. So these were some of the ways on how you could very easily fix if your download speed is too slow and you want to increase the internet connection. We hope one of these solutions may have actually worked for you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.